Hey everybody, making another video on YouTube because I haven't done one in like, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 days now since my re-upload of my Camaro. That was an old footage from a long time ago. Um, I've been gone for the past 4 or 5 months because I was busy over the summer break with having fun, and I kind of regret not filming. But I'm back again, and um, yeah, I'm back again, and I've got a new build. Well, I built lots of model kits over the summer. I just didn't record them, unfortunately. But I'll show you the finished ones that I did. Anyways, but this is my new one that I'm going to be building. It is, as you can see, a Johan 1960 Plymouth Station Wagon. It's from, I think my dad and I got this off of eBay, but you can see the box is in super duper pristine condition. Even like the sides and everything are really nice and crisp. No fading from the sun. A little bit of a dent on the top corner, but that's okay. But it is not unbuilt. It's not sealed. It was never sealed. It's actually partially assembled and painted. But here are the instructions. I'll show you that really quick. Just basic stuff. Nothing too special. And that's it. The instruction sheet's a little bit yellow, but that's okay. Here's the body. I'll show you that in a bit. I'll take out all the other bits and pieces out the box. And I guess we'll start off with these little pieces. This is just like the bumper and stuff. You can see the motor's partially assembled. The grill's there. Firewall, taillights. Both of the taillights are there, which is cool. Rear view mirror. Looks like the washer bag, maybe? I'm not sure. The battery, though. There's the top of the engine in there. More bits and pieces. Here are two of the wheels. Not black washed yet, but they will be. White wall on the actual rubber tires are still there, which is crazy because usually they're not. I'm going to take the glass out the bag to show you guys because I'm surprised they're like minimal. Well, I guess there's a bit of scratches on the glass, but I can always polish that out with the polishing technique that I showed you guys. See, there's a bit of scratches on the side of the glass, but it's not broken. The glass isn't broken, which is a big plus because it is a real pain in the butt to fix broken glass, as I've seen other YouTubers do and from experience myself. Anyway, so that's the glass. Here's the hood. I haven't stripped the paint yet, but I'm going to. You can see the Plymouth lettering on there. The guy did a really nice job painting it, but it looks like it might have bubbled up and he had to like sand it or strip it. Nice, cool copper color. I'm assuming that he was going for the color on the box art, but I'm not 100% sure. Here's the body of the car. Here, I'll take it out from the chassis and interior. Let's see if I can... Oh, I think I... Yep, there it is. Here's the underbody or the chassis. Just promo stuff. Or kind of promo stuff. You can see Johan models up there. Chrysler. And still spins. Both the rear wheels are on there, so I'll have to remove those. Here's the interior. He painted it gray, and he did... Oh, did he do the silver on the door handles? I don't know. But this is kind of cool. I like the way the steering wheel looks. It's kind of odd looking in a way. But yeah, it's just plain gray, plain Jane. And this is the body of the station wagon. Man, these tail fins are really cool looking. I don't know. They remind me of the what's it called? The Christine car. You know the movie Christine, where it's like the haunted car? Reminds me of that. But he was doing a two-tone paint job, and I don't know what he was doing after that. He looked like it sanded it on all sides. I'm definitely going to be doing two-tone with this car, like basically the same layout. Kind of like the box art, like the white on top, and then I'll show you the color. Actually, I bought the color from Testers, or no, sorry, Tamiya, not Testers. Like a while ago, because I buy the spray cans and the colors before I do big projects. Like I save it. I did one of the projects that I had a spray can saved for over the summer, and I just finished it about 3 weeks ago. So I'll show you guys that soon on the channel. But this is the TS58 Pearl Light Blue, and I think this will fit beautifully with, like, as the main color across the body, of course. And then the roof, I don't know, I'm probably just gonna do white, but I might do off-white. It depends. I'll probably just do normal white. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of that color, because I think it'll look pretty cool. And because it fits with like that color code almost of the era. And also, I got a whole, like, since the 4-month upload, like a long time ago, I have a ton, and when I say a ton, that's like an understatement. We've gotten so many more model kits, it's not even funny. Well, I mean, it's funny for me and my dad, because, well, probably not funny for my mom, but, whatchamacallit, yeah, but we bought some new Johans pretty recently too, probably early September, on a bidding site. Oh, what's the name? I can't remember. And then I finished my Oldsmobile Johan, and this is the third Johan that I'm starting. But the Oldsmobile was a while ago, like probably mid-July, I would think. And then there's a finished... How many finished cars have I done? Man, if I were to guess how many finished cars I've done over the summer, probably like probably like 5 or 6 actually. And then, so it's not just new Johans that we got. We also have a butt ton of, like, oh, that reminds me. We have a butt ton of new, well, new-ish kits. I guess they're older kits, but we got them from the Kingston Model Rama. I'll definitely have to do a separate video on that. And we bought some stuff off of Model Roundup, like new releases kits, like the Chevelle El Camino pickup custom camper kit, and I think it's a re-release, no, I think it's just a retooling of the 57 Thunderbird by AMT. But those are just a few of many that we've got back. Actually, you know what I could do? I might just have to show you guys what's going on. Oops, I forgot there was weights on this so it don't tip over. But I might just have to show you guys a sneak peek little, oops, there we go, sneak peek little update on what's going on in the model room here. So, as you can see, we got a whole bunch of stuff up on the top. That hasn't changed much, but the bottom row has changed a whole bunch toward my work side of the area, mostly this part here. So if you guys want to see any of these kits, like in this area, let me know in the comments. And then the sneak peek of the Johans, any of those you want to see unboxed or looked at, let me know. Oh yeah, my dad has done a few kits too, like Ram truck, other stuff here. Those two are mine, and those two are my dad's. I'll show those in videos. And yeah, I mean, we've got more spray paint, because we always get more spray paint somehow. Those are all my Tamiya ones. Okay, anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. But anyways, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you get notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to comment down below what you want me to unbox or show you guys. Whoa, this thing is falling over. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.